Hello everyone, welcome to the Marble Duels. Today we have Blizzard and Icy Avalanche duking it out. Today's track consists tons of hazards, tons of funnels, and 2 falling jump ramps. The Marble Duels now begins. Icy Avalanche now with the early lead. He almost got pressured by Blizzard. And Icy Avalanche takes the lead. He almost got stuck at the very beginning of funnel number 2, but he manages to keep his cool. Blizzard follows behind, but anything could still happen. Icy Avalanche enters the next funnel as the track splits in 2. Blizzard enters the next funnel. Looks like Icy Avalanche really wants to win the Marble Duels. Icy Avalanche enters the next funnel while Blizzard struggles. Icy Avalanche is still in the lead. Blizzard is still behind, but anything could still happen. Let's see who's gonna get out first. And it's Blizzard. This might be a close one. We are at the last 2 funnels. It's really tight. Who's gonna get out first? And it's Blizzard. We don't know the actual results yet, though. And Blizzard wins the Marble Duels. Icy Avalanche takes 2nd place. Well, looks like Blizzard won the Marble Duels, despite not being in the lead for the entire race. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And comment on which 2 marbles you want to race against, you want to watch. Comment on which 2 marbles you want to race against in the next duel. Anyways, see you in the next video.